Hello everyone, we student of IMI presenting you innovation audit of Dell Technology. So first of all, we see what is innovation. Innovation is not just something inventing new or making something that is good but has limited scope. It is the practical application of concept that result in the launch of new product or service or change in the way such good or service are offered, but for the masses. So innovation equals to invention into commercialization. Let us see some example of companies which did the innovation. First is Ford. They introduced the assembly line and changes the way automobile work. Second is Microsoft, which changes the way we work on computer by introducing operating system. Third is the Netflix, which disrupt the whole entertainment industry by its over-the-top platform. So, what is innovation audit? An innovation audit is a method of determining how well a company manages innovation. They include a thorough examination of various aspects of an organization's current innovation capacities, practice, and processes, as well as the examination of key metrics and the determination of strength and weakness. The audit finding will recognize obstacles to innovate and suggest changes or new approaches for maximizing innovation capabilities. It reviews three main areas which we plot on the three axes that are x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, which shows types of innovation, locus of innovation, and nature of innovation, respectively. These three form a 3D model in the Cartesian plane and are further divided into subcategories. So type of innovation is categorized into 9 parts, that is business innovation, branding and networking, networks, management innovation, new customer channels, process product innovation, service innovation, technology. Second is locus of innovation, which represented by y-axis. It shows group of small teams, project, organization, business ecosystem. Last, nature of innovation is categorized into 3 parts, that is sustainable, disruptive, efficient. Now, in all, they form a cube in a Cartesian plane, which are divided into 108 parts, shows where an innovation is actually happening in an industry or an organization. Now, Charu will carry forward.
Founded in 1984, Dell is an American multinational computer technology company which started with providing hard drive upgrades to customers. However, in a short span of 1 year, the company's annual sales reached $6 million. And the company then began offering build-to-order computers, which took the company's annual sales to $70 million in just 1 year. And just after 5 years later, the company's revenue skyrocketed to $500 million. And by the end of 2000, Dell's revenues had topped an astounding $25 billion. And this success was attributed to various reasons, including their innovative strategy to remove middlemen and be in the direct customer contact. So the company Dell Technologies operates under two divisions. The first is Dell Client Solutions Group, which contributes 48% to the Dell revenue and focuses on desktop computers, desktop PCs, notebooks, tablets, and peripherals such as monitors, printers, and projectors under the Dell brand name. And second one is Dell EMC Infrastructure Solutions Group, which contributed 41% to the fiscal 2019 revenues and provides servers, storages, and networking systems. Now, let's look at some innovations, some figures which highlight the extent to which Dell innovates. So the company ships over 2,000 petabyte of SSDs in a single quarter and has 2,000 engineers, data science, and scientists and PhDs. And 80% of them, 85% of them write softwares for the company. Dell has also registered 25,000 patents and patent applications and has invested over 20 billion over the past 5 years, which is around 4 billion per year, which also accounts for around 5% of the company's revenue. Now, let's look at the Dell's innovations. So as we said that since its inception, Dell has continued to shape the industry by breaking new grounds and pioneering critical developments. The company has always been motivated to spur innovation that delivers value to the customers. And at its core, Dell's innovation approach commits to delivering new and better solutions that directly addresses the customer needs. The company has maintained momentum in a rapidly commoditizing industry where other players are still struggling. And as a cost leader, Dell has concentrated on activities where it adds most value and on market segments where profits are the highest. So there are four major breakthrough technologies that are driving the future of work. First is collaborative AI. AI will be designed for collaboration, and machines are continuously building and improving their understanding of humans and improving ability to collaborate and drive productivity. Second is extended reality. Extended reality, which includes augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality, combines real and virtual world and allows users to turn abstract information into rich and interactive experiences. Third is multimodal interfaces. So 3D haptic feedback, gesture recognitions, and even smell will be used in interface systems to provide more diversified and accessible ways to interact with data and applications in our PCs. And last is secure distributed ledgers. So this includes blockchains, which provide an immutable and transparent data storage mechanisms that can easily automate work processes, such as real-time payments upon completion of a work task.
Now let us take a look at sustainability in Dell. Dell has taken a leadership position to transform into a sustainable futuristic company. The company does this by accelerating the circular economy and recycling much of their products. Now, when we look at the product innovation side of Dell, Dell brings upscale design and premium features into their products, whether it be a commercial or client-based devices, gaming or high-end consumer devices, flat panel monitors, endpoint management, mobility and workforce, or support and deployment. Dell has been constantly working towards bringing innovations in some of their products.
Now we will look at Dell Client Solution Group, which provides technological products like laptop, desktop, monitors, etc. The innovation that Dell Client Solution Group is working on are collaborative AI, multimodal interfaces, extended reality, and secure distributed ledgers. Understanding these innovations, we have placed Dell Client Solution Group in the innovation audit framework and concluded the following points. Based on these upcoming innovative technologies, when we look at the nature of innovation, it is definitely an innovation that can increase the efficiency of the organization. On the locus of innovation, the technology and the hardware that the Dell has been working on can be implemented at an organizational level. Multimodal interfaces and extended reality can make the system much more simpler and efficient in an organization. It is a product innovation since the product that would be provided to the end users will be much more advanced, efficient, and will provide better look and feel. Better design products would be easy to carry and would be much faster than what the technology has to offer right now. The implementation of technological innovation can be done at organizational level, business level, in personal use, as well as in public places in the distant future.
Dell EMC, formerly EMC Corporation, which was established in 1979, is an American multinational corporation which have offices in Hopkinton and Round Rock, Texas. EMC's emphasis on creating and selling data storage and data processing hardware and software and convincing its customer to purchase its product irrespective of their other IT buying decision based on the best of the breed. It was acquired by the Dell in 2016 and hence named as the Dell EMC. Dell EMC offer data storage, protection, virtualization, analytics, cloud computing, and other products. So why we choose the Dell EMC? So it is changing the every industry by offering innovative products, be it on the space, communication industry, or direct for the customer. Dell EMC is taking innovation to the edge, position customer to realize the value of their data. Dell is trying to innovate and provide highly sophisticated software and multi-cloud solution. So which include the software defined data center, which is a marketing term that extend virtualization concepts such as abstraction, pooling, and automation. Next one is a managed cloud. So it enhances the business resilience and compliance management. Native app development, involves the building app for a particular mobile operating system and user access them from dedicated app. Next one is a managed security services. In computing, MSS are the network security services that have been outsourced to a service provider. Last one is integrated risk management. So it is a set of practices and processes supported by the risk-aware culture and enabling technology which improve decision making and performance through an integrated view of how well organization manage its unique set of the risk.
I'll be talking about innovation audit of Dell EMC. On the x-axis, the type of innovation is technological. Dell EMC ready solutions and high-performance cloud computing provide collaborations to accelerate artificial intelligence and advanced computing innovation in healthcare, life sciences, and manufacturing. Dell EMC PowerEdge servers, PowerSwitch networking, and storage can be configured to meet different use cases of modular building blocks. On the y-axis, the locus of innovation is business ecosystem. Dell EMC maintains a strong network with its partners, which are suppliers, distributors, customers, competitors, and government agencies. It has close to 65% of the business from channels and rest is direct. Its product and services benefit the whole business ecosystem, and it allows large number of people and organizations to transform their businesses. On the z-axis, the nature of innovation is disruptive. The products and services offered by Dell EMC are disruptive in nature. It provides cloud services, networking services, data storage, and data protection. These enable remote working and drive the data cost low. Its products like Eliason allow users to store unstructured data.
Let us now conclude what we have learned so far about Dell. First and foremost, Dell is one of the most innovative companies. Dell Technologies operate under two divisions, Client Solution Group and Dell EMC. The innovation of both divisions is quite different and unique in their own ways. Dell is now providing technologies that focuses on virtual realities, gesture recognition, and will be providing innovative technologies in the near future. From the innovative audit framework, we came to know that Dell Client Solution Group focuses on providing computer technology related products to their consumers, and their innovations are mainly focused on the technological side as well as the product side. Talking about Dell EMC, it provides cloud solutions, network solution, data storage, and data protection. These bundle of services enable remote work, which is quite important in today's COVID world. In the post-pandemic world, its services are highly sought after. It is a dynamic organization which structures its product as per the needs of the whole business ecosystem. It has highly efficient service delivery system. It can deliver solution within days and not months. Dynamic innovation brought in by Dell EMC has brought disruption in traditional ways of networking and storing data. Its high-performance computing has been significant in the transformation of industries such as healthcare, life sciences, and manufacturing. In collaboration with artificial intelligence, human involvement has been reduced and efficiency has increased. That is all from our side. Thank you.